All right, let's get this started. Tired as hell this morning. We're going to build our watch list. We're going to build our grid here and figure out which ones of all of these are something we want to watch this morning. So already this morning, Roku, these are the ones that have volume. Let's zoom out. Roku is still above its breakout. Any news? The man who gave us a DVR says Roku is the future of TV. That doesn't mean shit. You know what Roku is, right? That's what Mom uses at her house. CEO of Roku, everyone over time is going to shift towards streaming. It's 2017 and Netflix has been out for how long? And this is like, people are still trying to argue that. It's hilarious. Anyhow, Roku is up on earnings. It's an earnings winner. Let's look at the fucking charts. Tops. Way off of its highs. This stock is just sympathy play on the shipping sector. Look at last time it came up here. It just did nothing. Look at this as a fractal chart right here. So I would say Tops is probably done. Now Roku's been strong, so let's add Roku to the grid. Unless it's already up here. It's not. So ROKU. Now let's look at our percent gainers here. Stupid fucking thing. ARGS is our top volume gainer. Let's take a look at that. Fuck you, man. God damn it. Sorry, I'm in a bad mood this morning. Cat is drinking out of a toilet bowl. ARGS is an earnings winner that I must have missed. Friday. Huh. Okay, it's an earnings loser. But now it's got some action going on. From 16 cents to 32, so it's doubled today. Let's see past history here. Horrible, 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 horrible chart. But these charts have kind of been in style lately. Is it dividend or earnings? Earnings, okay. See how it reacted to the last earnings play. Up pre-market, failed after open. No reaction. And I don't know. Doesn't have a good history. We'll keep it on the main watch list. ARGS. It's funny, it has the most volume this morning, so where's ARGS? Up here. Most volume. Okay. Tops is out. Roku is on. JCPenney, let's take a look at JCPenney. We're still... Okay, so is that Friday? Yeah, because today is what? Today's the 13th, so that was Friday. Let's take a look at today's chart. Let me draw a price line in here real quick. Right in here. This is perfect. Perfect level. Basically. So it came up here and basically respected this zone here. Let us look. What are we doing this morning? This is a good one to watch. Up on earnings, we got an earnings winner. That is nice. Now, as you can see, we have several different levels here. We had basically just creating higher lows. This is a level of testing here, and even pre-market it held this level. So that's an important level. It has not popped past this level. There's enough distance for me between this level and this level to possibly take a break on this level. So we have a lot of lines to draw here this morning. This is a significant level, as well as this very bottom. I don't know, look, we got a lot of testing here too. This is really, we're going to have to watch this one. Could be difficult. But just for, if we zoom in, just so we can have lines drawn in case we zoom in. We want to find a few places that have tested, which is right here. So we'll see. That's an interesting one. J.C. Penney. Okay, we're 1 minute. Chart are we at 1 minute? All right. Yeah. Let's just do that real quick. We didn't draw levels on Roku, so let's do that real quick. What is the bigger picture? This is an earnings winner, and it's up quite a bit. So 24 bucks, all the way up to 37. It's one to watch. I'm not even sure really what to do right now. It did not close strong. Pre-market, it got strong. Or this is after hours that day, it got strong. Yeah, it went up from like the 819s. Closed strong the first day. Broke out after hours. Let's see if we can get a bigger picture. It is still holding a trend line. That is important. Check that out. We got some seriously upward. Here we go. Let's do that. That looks pretty good. Other than that, I'm not sure what to do. We got to wait till something forms a little better. Let's watch for pullbacks. All right. So that one's there. Roku, JCPenney. See what else we have on the list here that's new this morning. MAT. It's more expensive, but let's take a look. Why are you up? Actually, let's go back to Roku's. No. Let's check on prior news for JCPenney. Update. JCPenney's turnaround has touched every corner of the struggling department store. So it is a big box store. It is a struggling store. We'll see. Climb of in-store sales. Yeah. All right. What is the other one we just looked at? I'm a dork. Kind of losing time. MAT, that's right. What's the news on MAT? Looks like a nice little gradual uptrend. Hasbro, Mattel. This is a big, big, big company. Should be. I don't know what their net worth is. Hasbro takeover interest. Okay. Hasbro makes an offer to buy rival Mattel. So this is totally speculative. Let's see. They made an offer. Is it for real? Let's get our news app up. My computer freezes every time I hit the news app. this could run, man, but this is not a great catalyst. Just being bought out. Let's see what the amount. Yeah, basically. Mattel jumped 7% after famed investor Mario Gabelli's firm buys company's shares. Slightly higher following positive mention. Here, okay, so famous investor, huh? CEO of Gabelli Asset Management was cited as saying he likes shares of companies that control media content, whether that be movie, television, or music. Despite their 7% advance, shares still traded near the bottom end of their 52-week price range. Well, not this morning, sir. The news hit. The news hit over the weekend. Yep. So basically, yeah, I would only buy this on a big-ass dip. I'm not going to watch it this morning, but I'll add it to the list. It could be a big mover, but it's just not something I'm super interested in. GGP, huh? That's expensive as well. Unfortunately, I don't have a top of the list. Look at that breakout. Why are you up? Brookfield Property Partners to acquire GGP for $23 a share in cash stock. So it's already at the valuation. So it's not worth watching. And it's fucking expensive. NVFY, huh? Up 61% already. Way up. Dollar. This is a good range here. Earnings. So they're up. Their year-over-year earnings are up. We just had some news come in right as we're looking at this. Tax reform delay weighs, huh? Well, this is one to watch. NVFY. Keep on adding. I'll add that. That's a beautiful looking chart so far. NVFY. Let's look at the long term, actually. That's one thing we didn't do that I need to get in the habit of doing. Looking good so far. And not the worst. We got a couple day spikes. One day. 1, 2, 3. We have some runs. And this could break out nicely. And we already hit those highs. If we can test and break those highs, that would be beautiful. Because then, realistically, we don't have any serious resistance levels. Possibly in the 229s. And then next, up at 260. Or was it 263? Yeah. This is a good watch. It has spiked a little bit on earnings last time. That's definitely one to watch. So good. Good for us. That's the 1 hour chart. Change it to the 1 minute chart. We just want to watch for dips. That is interesting. Or did it break? It's at 318 right now. I keep getting thrown off by this freaking daily chart shit. It's all the way up here. We already had the multi-month breakout this morning. So now we just need to watch for setup because I'm a retard. We'll watch. Gotta see what happens here. What's next? EKSO, that was up Friday. Any news? Oh, well, we have a breakout. Let's look at the intraday because we don't know if it's already way up or not. It is. 230 something, huh? Yep, we had a breakout at the close Friday, which is that's our best signal. Looks like we might have a delayed earnings winner. Q3 results. 1.6 million versus 2.4 million estimated earnings. So the earnings aren't great, but for whatever reason, the stock is up even more today. So maybe there's something good in the call. Oh, they're pumping the stock. Ford pilots ESCO vest exoskeleton technology to reduce worker fatigue and injury, huh? Late Thursday in its testing, a new upper body exoskeleton tool, the ExoVest, developed in partnership with California-based Exobionics. The wearable technology elevates and supports a worker's arms while performing overhead tasks, the company said, is being piloted in 2 U.S. plants with plans to test in other regions. Now, this could be very good. This is possibly as good as their info back in the day about the paralyzed veteran walking. That is some shit to watch for. So these pre-market highs broke. Let's watch this one. This is one of our top watches right here because this could have some serious legs. Now the stock is already almost doubled this morning and it's down off of its highs. If we could trade pre-market, I would pick some of it up right now, but we can't, so I'm not worried about it. But you heard me right here live calling it. That is definitely one to watch. Is EKSO on this list? I feel like it was, but maybe it's not. All right. Yeah. You can talk. It's okay. My wife was just fingering my chart, showing me an important level. All right. That's a good one, man. So let's add EKSO. That shit skyrocketed in the past on great news. We're running out of spots here. NKTR. We got a lot of ones up now. CRGE. Yeah, you can't even see this shit. Sorry. You know what I should do so you can see it is do this. Now you can see it. So this is how I'm sorting my shit here. Obviously, if it has no volume, its move is irrelevant. So all these have volume. NKTR, let's take a look at that. And it's 712. We're trying to give ourselves as many opportunities. This is an expensive stock. Biotech. I want a real quick check on OPNT. Where are you? You're fading. You just recently spiked again, back up to 48, huh? Or is this from way back in the day? This is from October 26th. I'm not losing my mind. No, you did spike again. I was short in here at 1950 or 1980. Right in here. Yep. This is right here, Roland Wolf caught it on this day. Right in here somewhere. But yeah, this thing is still uptrending. Anyhow, aside from my distraction, NKTR, that was expensive. An expensive biotech, way up in the last couple days. It's been breaking out a lot. But from 24 to 34, that's like 33% or 50%, which isn't bad, and apparently it's up on earnings, a giant breakout. But it's an expensive stock, and we're looking for stocks that can go even farther faster. So let's go to DGAZ. Looking like shit. But this is the daily chart, and I keep getting fooled. Yeah, so now we have basically a multi-month breakout, don't we? On what news? Traders show sudden enthusiasm for this natural gas trade. Not a lot of news. Well, I'm pretty sure that oil is reaching highs right now. Let's find out. I'll bet you it is. Right, that's not what we're looking for. Take a look at the daily on oil. Actually, let's take a look at Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is 6,500. Oil is 63. It's not up as much as I would have thought right now. One day? Yep. Okay. So we are getting towards our highs. Our previous highs, 68. So people are looking at oil plays, I'm guessing. Yay for them. Not interested in anything that expensive. Everything else is pretty fucking expensive except for CREG, which was a Friday play. I didn't play it. But obviously I drew something on the chart. We had a dip buy. Why are you up? You're up from $1.18 and you hit $9.39. So this is a volatile play. Question is, what does it want to do? We're somewhat holding a trend here, so let's keep an eye out. Could be a wedge. We could have kind of like a head and shoulders here forming. I mean, we had a head and shoulders right here. Not very great, but I mean, you know, pre-market mixed with market hours is... It's interesting, though. We have some levels that are kind of being respected here. So, I guess, why are we up? We had a halt. Halted on circuit breaker. This is just an energy play. As far as I can tell, up on Trump speculation, huh? China energy. So no real clear catalyst, but it is moving. So let's... I don't know. Look at how choppy it is, too. I can't say that I like that. Let's look at our tick chart. See how that looks. So we had a huge crack and a recovery from 6 all the way up to 688. That's not huge. But look at that beautiful drop. Bam, bam. That's beautiful. 768 to 8 something. Look at that. What did I say? Friday's video. I said this churning action. I feel like I'm the one that said that this churning action would lead to a big crack. Maybe I'm thinking about a different stock, but I also said this kind of stair-stepper thing, it's like a pump. And what did we have? We had a pump type of crack. And it looks like it's the backside of the move, except for right now. So I don't know how to play this stock, and it looks choppy. At least on the tick chart, it's choppy. But even on the 1 minute chart, it's looking kind of nuts. Oh, whoops. I don't know. That crack didn't even look like anything right here. It's interesting, though. I'm having trouble deciding whether I want to put this on the big list or not. QD. Too expensive. ONP. What's ONP up for? Earnings. Conference call, huh? Yep. Soared from 80 cents all the way up to 245. That is the volatility we like. Then it faded and held. So we have a bottom in here. And we're still getting some pre-market action, which means people are probably interested, which means I want to buy. If this is still at $1.46 at the open, I'm going to pick a little bit up. It would be great to see it crack down to 125. Then we can get a better discount. So ONP, you're going on the list. The main reason we're going on the list here is because you were active this morning. OMP, where are you, buddy? I am blind. No, you're at the fucking top somehow? That's interesting. Now let's look at the rest of our charts. If our internet will work. OMP, or is it OPN? I'll bet you it's OPN. I spelled it wrong. Or ONP. Hello, fuckface. Yeah, I told you the wrong damn chart. See, I have no brains. Are you on the flexible grid? Yes. Watt. Watt was an earnings winner. Let's check out the rest of these, man. Matt, were you earnings winner? No, you're just up on fucking buyout rumor. NVFY, we have that on our top watch. Look what you just did. Look what you're doing. You're holding support. People are interested in you. This is going to be an interesting morning. Roku, you're still heading up. Tops. XNet, you're about to break out. Oh, we want to watch XNet. Let me put this on the 5-minute chart. But, you know, maybe I should do 5 minutes for all of these. Yeah. Just so I get a little bit broader view of what the hell is going on. Yeah, but I'm going to, on these, they'll be on the 5 minutes still. But I can change whatever I'm using this chart to figure out what is interesting to me at the open. OPNP, XNet, there was another one, X, something. Hold on, let's just keep looking. XNet looks good, man. You're beautiful. Now I have you marked as an earnings winner. Are you? Why do I have you marked as that? Oh, earnings is coming out on the 16th. That's why. So all of this is what? Okay. Well, let's draw a level here because this looks like a possible level. Friday, you killed it, dude. That's the volatility we like. It's not the greatest, but it is pretty good. It's interesting. What else? OMP, JCPenney's is on our list. That could break out nicely. VRX. Not very volatile. All day, the range was $14.91 to $15.80. So $1 range on a $15 stock is not really that great. Groupon, are you on the backside of the move now? You're right at support. But it looks like you were a 5-cent spread stock based on the way you're trading. You are at support. I don't know that I'm interested. I don't think that I am. You'd have to really, really crack hard for me to be interested. Dries, I just don't have any interest in dries. X was another good. Oh, so many. So many. Oh, that beautiful, beautiful sell-off. I think I traded that. One of those. So, this thing has a history of morning panics. Not all of them have been great. But if we get a morning panic down to 27, I'm just calling this. I don't know that I'm going to trade it. But it'll be interesting to see if it works out. I don't want to put it on the list, I don't think. OTIC. What are we doing here? Yeah, you're holding some gains here. If you come back down to 14 area, or the 4 area, 450s. Although it does look like it's back down. It looks like people are, it's not looking too good. Watt. You are up. You could break out this morning. You are an earnings winner. I don't know that I like chasing stocks that are up. You haven't even doubled yet, so you're kind of slow. We do have some overhead resistance here at the 10s. Let's zoom out a little bit more and look at the daily. We have some resistance. You know, let's draw us a level here. What are we looking at? I'm looking at right here. We got a level there and a little something here. I'm not sure because of that. So if it cracks, I'll feel better buying a dip. So really the question is, at what level do we want to buy the dip? It showed some support here. You know, we got some higher lows. We'll see. It's hard to say. I mean, we're getting a little trades up here. It's hard to say, man. Let's get this level drawn in case we break out of that. Watt is interesting. We'll put that on the board. Getting a little bit of play this morning. Let's check out the rest of our things here. HMNY. You're so choppy, I don't like you. DCIX. Still kind of holding support, but you're, I don't know. You're losing some range here. Any news? It is a low float play. OTIC, you are an earnings winner. Right, yeah. You are holding support, so you know what? This could be a multi-day breakout here. We just really need to watch. Let me set an alert. I need to set an alert. That's one thing I keep forgetting to do. I should set alerts for all of these. Also, I guess let's set an alert for any crack down here. At or below. Go back to Watt, set an alert. Could very easily break out, you know. I don't know. If we get a breakout and a pullback, that would be important. At or above. If you're probably not going to crack that hard. But if we come down to support, let me know. I want to know. SHIP, SHIP. Earnings winner. You have not been performing well, and I don't think I give a fuck about you. COL. What are you up for? Pharmaceutical source is Q3 loss beats estimate. And yet I don't see, there it is. Wow, see? Damn. You are performing, so let's watch for cracks on you. COL, so you're up from Friday, you went up from 1030s to 12s. That's pretty good little range. We got a minute and a half until the open. So it is kind of tough. This is an important level right here. Let's draw some levels, man. It just keeps stair-stepping. So let's watch for some levels here. And let's put it away. Let's put our toys away here. COL. Right? Is that the right freaking stock? COLL. Hello. Hello. Damn it. You are up, okay. 5 minutes. Why are you so freaking zoomed out? I am losing my mind here. Alright, that's much better. Alright, we're almost to the open. Let's get our active trader up. Time and sales. And, alright. We're open. What are we doing here? EKSO is breaking out. Wow. I did want to buy some of this, didn't I? I did. Let's hit EKSO real quick. Let's just get 100 shares. Come on! God damn it. Let's get 100 shares. Buy 100, man. For whatever reason, you're having trouble filling me on 100 shares. You're fucking hilarious and pathetic. Really? Fucking bullshit. Alright, we have Roku breaking out. Roku looks like it's about to break out. ONP is dipping. Finally filled at 201. Damn, that took too fucking long. JCPenney and Roku look like they're going to break out. We have XNet. Kraken. Yes. Yes. Be nice to me. Pick up 100. Come on, man. Fucking Christ, what is going on this morning? Oh, and you are breaking out right now. Why are you not? Okay, here are all my positions. Show the fucking trades. 1 minute. I'm a little scatterbrained right now, so it's not the greatest time. I only bought 100 shares because I can't watch all these stocks at once. Let's go back to my charts. EKSO, we're down. I do like this play, and I want to maybe accumulate more. 201, huh? Let's change to our tick chart. Let's buy another 100. What else are we looking at? Roku. God damn. Look at that from the open, man. That is my problem. We broke out. So 36.80, 37.30. I'm only long a freaking 100 shares. So we have a big breakout here at 36. Let's draw a level here because this is important. Right here. What are we looking at on the daily? Making even new highs. This is all the history of the chart. Stop doing that. I'm up over $1 a share. I'm just going to get out. There, I made my $1 a share. It's going to keep spiking. I don't care. I have other trades to pay attention to. EKS. So I'm up 50 bucks in XNet. This dip buy has been good. I can't ask for a whole lot more than that. I'm going to get out before it turns around. I'm fine. I'm just taking the meat of these small moves. Yay for me. Very small trading. IZEA, barely up. I'm up $5 on that. EKSO, I want to continue to hold this one. This has some legs. Let's see what else is happening on our grid. XNet, this was my dip buy. It could break out the new highs. Watt, NVFY. Let's go back and change this to the 1 minute. I don't know how to do that right now. Style. Can I change the time frame? No. Okay, that's fine. That's probably a good dip buy right there. Is that the breakout level? I wonder. Let me see. Roku. No, that's not the breakout level yet. But we could be getting a good dip down to this low. Buy market. Right there. Right at the dip. Reverse, bitch. Are we going to fail? What are we going to do? We have a level we're testing here. I'm back bigger. Okay, we're not holding yet. Give it a minute. Got to give it a minute. What are you telling me? Alert on DCX when mark at or below, huh? Well, now I have to pay attention to this trade. We got some range in here we could be getting. Now, are we going to double bottom here? Right in here with some potential support. I bought right at the breakout level, but let's see if we're going to turn around any higher or we're going to break to new lows. If we break this low, I have to get out. Yep, we're going to break it, aren't we? Come on. I got to be disciplined. We're struggling. I want to see a turnaround, and it's not turning around. Yeah, I made that $1 a share on 100 shares, man. That would have been a $1,000 move right there. And I wouldn't have gotten back in, but this is a pullback zone. Come on, baby. Fuck. Alright, well, I'm down on that one. I cannot hold that shit. If it starts to turn around, I will go bigger. Come on. Base. Turn around and go back up to 38. Come on, baby. Ever higher. Show me some support. You are up a lot. That's the thing. Let's zoom out a little bit and go to the 1 minute chart. Wow. Fucking big spike. And yeah, god damn it. You're not holding. You're not holding. I gotta fucking exit. Yep. Alright. Down big. Had an opportunity there. Maybe you're the backside of the move. Let's check out EKSO. Up a little bit. Roku is the one, man. You motherfucker. What are you gonna do? You gonna keep making lower lows now? You son of a bitch. Come on. Now that's the wrong time to be buying, I can tell you that. Are you gonna turn around? It's gonna go down now. Yeah. Come on, baby. Volatile stock this morning for sure. Beautiful thing is I don't feel like I'm revenge trading at all. However, realistically, had I just given the stock room to move, I wouldn't have 2 losses, 3 losses right now. It looks like it. Come on, I want this area to defend. It looks like it can. It's just very volatile. If we can make a new high of day, I might actually get out of this stock with a profit today. We're going to have some resistance up here at 37.50. Hopefully not sooner. If we have resistance sooner, that's a bearish sign. So we're right about break even on the day right now for this stock. And which is coincidental and happens all the time with traders. As soon as you get to your break even mark, the stock turns around. But if we can push through this level right now, that is a great sign, because then we can use it as support for a leg up. How many sellers are about to be discouraged? Come on. I feel like this is my last opportunity for a good long. Push through. Let's do it. Come on, buyers. EKSO, I'm up 69, 70 bucks. Look at that. New high of day for EKSO. 184 to 230. I'll take it. I'll take it. Come on. Let me raise my stop. Let me do this. Sell. Fucking bitch. What did I say? Rejected? Whatever. Get out. Okay, Roku. Nope, you're looking weak now. Yep. Question is, do you going to hold this low? This could be the end of it for you. Roku announces a licensing agreement with Funai Electric to ship Philips brand smart TVs. That's good news, and that just came out. Roku offers $20 off the new Roku streaming stick for Black Friday weekend. That just came out. All right, these are good news for this stock. Let's see new highs. Well, that came out 40 minutes ago. This could be it. Now, as a trader, it's hard for me to decide, like, is this where you say, hey, take your small loss while it's still small and get out for the day down only $200 on the stock, or do you give it time? And part of me wants to give it time because this floor is not broken yet. And the stock has positive news. The stock is going up. And at the same time, if this were my first position, I would be getting out right now, at least with partial, because I'd be saying, this is the meat of the move. Take the meat of the move and run. Hit singles. And what I'm really doing right now is I'm letting my losses on the day define my position in this stock, which is not really smart, but I'm also, the stock has potential. And right now I'm positive on the stock just barely. It looks like this thing is thinning out. I mean, because realistically, I don't know. The news came out an hour ago, which put it right about here. So from 34 to 38, like, you got to wonder, how much is that news worth? So I'm risking right now. I would like to see a push to 38, but it may not happen. Look, we're getting some selling right here. This is not pretty. Can we hold? We're having a war right here, man. I'm very curious what happened with DCIX. Where did you go? Ugh. We're so at break even on the day right now. Well, not on the day, but on this stock. I'm so blind. Right there. Down 8.92% today. It doesn't seem to be rebounding yet. Yeah, so far we got a lower high. We just barely perked above it, which is good, but we're grinding. And this grinding could wear out short sellers. Either way, but we are making slightly higher highs. I don't like this action in stocks. See, we're not having that smooth flow anymore. We're getting to a point of serious, shit. Even if we can go back up to this high, I could be out, for a $200 gain on the stock. Fuck, we're rejecting, man. We just keep fucking rejecting. Come on. I have to pay attention to what price action is telling me, and it's not. The stock is struggling to get higher, which means if these guys just give up, it's going to pop pretty good. We are still winning, but it's just inches. Come on. Look at this selling right here. We got 100. Yeah. Eat that shit up, dude. Okay. Let me turn my level 2 on. That's one thing I don't have on. Yeah. Yeah, that's not pretty. Come on, buyers. Don't give up. Not for long. The stock is starting to round. And I have to take profit if it heads back up here. Come on. Defend. We got good news here. See, I can't let myself fall into the bias of this stock must go up because it doesn't have to do anything. I would like to see it go up, but now we're making lower lows. And at this point, this is just making this level look all the more attractive to me because the stock is getting weaker. And for all I know, it's going to be a good short now. And it might not even make it past 37.50 now. Yeah, I could be down big on this stock today. Even in the long term, it might be way up. Yeah. Come on, guys. Let's defend these levels. See, the meat of the move was right in here. And then as the stock is struggling, just get out because it's not doing what you want it to do. But now my bias has me saying, well, where's the best place to get out? My entry is still decent. It's just my bias about my previous loss on the day. Rejection. Come on. Come on, buyers. The pattern has been a green up candle and then some struggle. Green up, struggle. Green up, struggle. And although this looks good, now we got the 37.50s to fight. We got some buyers here at 37.20, but they're fucking disappearing fast. Come on, let's see a lot of green over here. We really want to see this level hold, but it's not looking pretty. Like, the shorts could just be piling in and saying, this stock is just up too fucking much. And meanwhile, my little loss is taking up my attention from other stocks that could be moving beautifully. And that's what's not so great about holding on to positions that aren't moving in your favor. Look at this gigantic sell-off, man. This is not good. We massively defend. Massively. Come on. And we're still getting pushed down. This is not good for this stock. This is a stock you want to get the fuck out of. And I'm not doing it because I'm holding and hoping. Even though I'm not holding a gigantic loss, the price action is telling me to get out of this stock. Even though we're holding it. This is a lower low. I need to get the fuck out of this stock. Here's my chance. Let's look at a better time frame if possible. See, this is the trader looking for a bias. Look at the stock is rolling over. That's exactly what I said it's doing. This level needs to hold. And it is not holding. It is not pretty. And yet, we still are up on the day, and we made a higher low. I know, it's not pretty at all. Because I'm an idiot. Funny enough, I felt like adding to my position right here. We just need Don't go too far too fast. Don't. Yeah. That is not pretty. Even lower. Yep. Motherfucker, dude. Yeah, the stock is done. Every little tick in my direction is one in which I am placing a bias on that is not helping me out, because the pattern is lower highs, lower lows. The only thing is this low right here is still not violated, and I'm looking at a very short-term chart. Although realistically, this is supposed to be a short-term trade. We're at the point right here. We want to see this defend. And the reality is it didn't defend. Look, it came down here and it didn't defend. So this is our last chance. And they're just fucking pumping the stock. Look, the same damn update just came out. The man who gave us DVR says Roku's the future of TV. Hello, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 times they're going to fucking say that shit. They're just trying to pump the stock. We're not even rebounding off of this low with any kind of conviction. Ah, God, I need to get the fuck out of this stock. It's going to piss me off if it turns around. Bitch. This is a hard to borrow stock, too. I can't even short it, more than likely. Son of a bitch. All right, let's look for more plays. What a beautiful fucking stock, and I've fucked it right up by going in too small to begin with.
Seems like the best place at the beginning of the day.
Yeah.
Going in with size then is...
This is the place that the stock needs to... why did I get out? It didn't violate that low, dude. Like, dumb fucker. I just took a fucking loss for basically nothing. Come on, man. Break this trend and turn around. I got out of that stock. Fucking... I had a better entry. I'm 45 cents off of my entry. Like a retard. Sorry, retards. I'm not trying to offend you. Yep. 30. So let's see. 36.77. I got out. I got in at 36.77, out at 36.45. And I got back in at 36.68. So I have a little bit better entry than my last entry. So, okay. I took a tiny profit and then no, I didn't take a profit. I took a loss. 36.45 I got out at. Ugh, it's disgusting. Anyhow. I really don't actually enjoy this either, because even though now we are technically making a lower or a higher low, if this becomes now the lower high and we're forming a wedge, that is going to be super annoying. I just want this shit to continue forward. And that's the problem, is I'm sitting here saying what I want the stock to do, and I'm letting that cloud my behavior. And that is the problem with traders. I could just take this tiny profit right now. $0.10 ain't shit. I had my opportunity to be out with a profit for the day, but I was feeling a push. Like, let me just go to 38. Whereas the reality is, had I got in here 1,000 shares, 36, that's literally would have been over $1,000 right there, and I would have been done for the day. If anything, I could have been like, oh, this level, let me get in for another test. Stock is just continuing to look weak. Actually, it's rather undecided, because if this is actually strength right here, and this is just testing these levels. But now, as you can see, we're going to test again. And we have a lower high now, which is just not a fun, pretty thing for this stock. And the fucking thing just keeps scaling out. Stop it. Can we defend? See, I'm just like, what are the other positions doing, man? What are these other stocks doing? We did break out here. We could be a breakout on JCPenney's right here. We had a new high of day. It didn't seem to break out, though. Held some support here. XNet. What's XNet doing? It did bounce, but it's not. UL. Not a whole lot here. EKSO, even on the positive news, I'm down now. Right? Or am I still up? Or I'm out. Oh, I took my fucking gain. That's right. So good for me. That's funny. Yeah. I took my little gain. Could be a buy now. Yeah, see, I'm letting my bias fuck with me. the stock is going lower. And I'm like, oh, I just want to make a little bit of a profit. It could still go because it's not just outright rejecting. It is making higher highs, but look, it's fighting. And I don't like to be in stocks that are fighting. I like to call it right and get the fuck out and take my profit. And I'm being a stubborn little bitch here that's going to end up being down $1,000 on the stock or more. Every person that's in here is like, the stock didn't make it back up to 38.29. I'm going to get out sooner. So they get out sooner and they make the stock fucking go down. And that's what's happening here and here. The only good sign will be is if we break past this high right here, because then that will stop the pattern of higher lows or lower highs, I mean. And that's a fucking guessing game right now. The stock has positive news, but it's being pumped with the same bullshit fucking release. And this is it right here. This is the nail in the coffin, isn't it? $5,000 share buy. See, I know how to read a chart. I know how to read what's going on. I just need better control and getting out of a situation that I know isn't that great. I'm hoping. Whereas I could have had $700 here and another 200 or 400 here, and that would have, like, now this loss right here is shading me, shading my behavior from keeping me from doing what I know I should do. And this is looking really fucking shitty right now. God damn it, dude. Now my brain is saying, dude, just get out if it's fucking break even. And this is when the stock cracks and says goodbye to my opportunity for break even. Looking so weak right now. This is crazy. I wish I could short this bitch. Sellers are at right here, 36.59. This is not a pretty pattern. It could be over right now. Because we don't look like we're defending. It is, look at that. Holding the lows. It's not bouncing. It's going to crack right there. Come on, dude. Yep, motherfucker. Yeah. You weak motherfucker. You're going to crack. See ya. Yep, inching lower. Inching lower. Man, this is fucking crap. God damn it. They are down $1,500 on the stock. All right, let's see what else we got. Fucking shit. All right. Hello. That looks like a possible buy right there. It's worth a shot. Oh, I'm only up 1,000. Forgot it's 23-cent stock, not a fucking $2 stock. You're holding. Oh, this was the buyout. That's the thing I don't really give a shit about. We spiked. We had some range. We're back down again. The other stock is weak. What are you doing, Roku? God, man, you're going to defend some level and fucking go out to make new highs some point today, aren't you? Because technically this level is still holding, but because I'm so zoomed in and so focused on this little level, oh my God, it just makes me want to get right the fuck back in. It's so pathetic. I'm down $1.40 on the share, on the fucking stock. GLBS, I should just get the fuck out of that. It's not doing anything. Good thing I have a very small position. IZEA, you're illiquid as fuck. I'm up $5, whatever. You're not doing anything. Leave me alone. We have a wedge. If you crack down to 35.70, I do want to get back in. Hello. How are you? Thought you were over there watching all this action. It's so weird. I feel so bullish about this stock. Despite this, like,
I guess it's made its own lower low.
it has, but
Right
this
there.
level right here, look at this. I mean, that's not,
That makes sense, but it's not gonna hold exactly to it. That's the problem.
and then realistically, look at what happened here. This level didn't hold, and it came down, didn't even hold this level, didn't even try. So, you know, I got to make sure I'm not battling this stock for no reason. We had a little bit of a breakout on JCPenney. This would be a possible area to buy. I mean, we're still holding. This is what? This is day 2. And it did get some action this morning. But the breakout was barely. Yeah. Well, there's VRX had a dip buy this morning. XNet. You double topped basically. So that's looking weak for the stock. Whoa! X is running. At least it looks like it. This stock doesn't do much at all. Look at that. I'm like, oh my God, it's running. It's so expensive. HMNY, you're up. You're volatile today. And hard to borrow. But it looks like you are double topping. Am I right? Yes. Last time you ran. Do we have any good move? Still sees nearly 100% upside. 11.6. That looks kind of weak myself. Do not want to hit. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Just as I was changing my shares from 10,000 to 1,000. 1105, 1080s. It's really not a super volatile stock. Roku, you're coming down. $35, $75, $36. So we're 25 cents off of that low. And it's not been touching the levels exactly. Can we find a floor? Can we find a floor right here? No. No. The answer is no. That's amazing. That is amazing. Wow. There she goes, dude. Down 2 grand on the day almost. What the fuck? You are... Don't save anything. There's your floor. Motherfucker. Yep. 35. Now it's too late to buy. Son of a motherfucking bitch. Fuck, man. Fucker. Ugh, this is not the time to be buying this stock. I know it. It's not a good price level. But it is down a lot. And I know this is probably bullshit, but I feel like the stock could just make a new high of day too. But I'm probably delusional. Because of the news. Could be. I just hate that I just got in this stock at the fucking wrong time. You know, like down here.
It's crazy hard to get in at the right time.
Not.
Especially if you're
I mean, here's the thing. I got in here. The stock didn't hold. I got out. Turns right around. Now this area is going to be some difficulty. But let's see. Could be several different things here. I mean, stock. My discipline has not been great this morning. That's for sure. Just curious, but probably not. Hello, fucker. Why are you snapping onto shit? I don't want you to snap to things, you fuckhead. Anyhow, yeah. Since it's not working right, let me just get rid of it. I was just thinking that this could be a measured move. Remove. Remove. Thank you. First trade of the day was just pretty beautiful. Even from the fucking open, dude. 34 up to 38. all the way down, actually from 32 to 38. And we're hovering right around the 50% level now. Let me see if I get Fibonacci on here. What am I looking for? Where's my Fibonacci retracement? At 0%. Let's go the opposite way. To here, to there. Yeah, this is right at the 50% level. Okay, you can stop now. Fucking A. Yeah, it came down and touched 50% level perfectly, which is nice. Let me get rid of this now. Better entry would have been nicer, that's for sure. This is probably where it's going to reverse right here. Yep. Danny, if you're right all the time, why aren't you making money today?
Entry and exit points.
Yep. It's just my bias going, I would love to see it do this. Like I'm just visualizing it breaking through this trend line here. You know, like it's probably not going to do that. I mean, the buyers might be having it right now because we broke through this resistance right here. But the overall trend is down. See, look, we're just rejecting right here off this level. And I need to get out of the stock. Get me out. Look at that. Rejecting. Just get me out. Danny, be smart. Be smart. Get out. Who gives a shit about a couple of fucking cents? It's turning again. Just get the fuck out. Be smart. Minimize your loss. Part of me is like, just go short now. You should just go short. ARGS is not liking me. Lower lows. What else have we got? Mattel. You are holding your level. X net you're holding. You went so nuts yesterday. Or Friday. God damn. You've been doing very good. I feel like you should be long. But you double topped. I don't like that. Breakout. Beautiful breakout. Roku, in the grand scheme of things, you could just keep going. And you are. What are we doing? This is such a horrible spot to be in because now I want to buy you. I want to buy you because you're going to make a new high of day. Aren't you? The chart formation is making me feel that, although I just adjusted this trend line and it's not necessarily true, but this little break right here, this little pullback made me feel like I wanted to buy it. But just the risk to reward is shit. Let's see where I got in and out at. I got out at like the bottom of this bar here. More. Yeah, right there. I would be up over $1 a share right now. 35.98. 36.98 would have been right here. 37.31. Oh boy. It's okay, we double topped. I mean, I've just not been trading this well. I've been calling it pretty well. Huh. What's that for?
Oh,
Okay.
so,
The funny thing is I feel like this stock is going to make a new high of day today. But this trend line is like, this is the time to be selling. This is my lowest risk to reward, is to sell it right now. But I feel like the buying pressure is back for some reason. First of all, this rounding that happened right here is not happening right here. We're pushing through and making new highs. Look at this. I feel like we're going to get a squeeze very shortly all the way back to the high of day. No, I'm not in. I got out right here. I would be back to break even right now on the day. Because the trend line that I had drawn was like topping right around here. Fuck you. Oh my gosh. We have all these sellers here, but I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. Like, as much as I'm interested in the stock, I feel like it's going to go higher, especially now that this trend line is broken. I just, like, if I were to get in right now, I'd have to put my risk down here. Right now, I feel like in the next 30 minutes, we're going to see a high of day.
take a small position, like 100 shares.
Yeah, I suppose. ARGS is showing me a little money now. Show trades. Just barely. 24. It's barely up on from where I got in it. Yeah, 24 cents and then 24, yeah. Yeah. Roku is grinding, dude. It's gonna fucking go higher. Now it's starting to do that rounding shit. So weird. And then, sorry, I can't stay attached to your face right now. I have to watch this. Oh, it's probably the wrong time to buy, but I want to buy it. Probably horrible time to buy. Oh, you're not turning around, are you? No. Are you? I should probably get out. I'm scared. I'm scared of the stock now. Ugh. Lord. Well, I bought on the dip. Let's see. Where am I actually in? I mean, it did make... Yeah, that's probably the best bet for me to get out right there. But now I'm scalping. I still feel like the stock is going to be up on the day. But I can't let that bias fuck with me. Look at that, man. I got out right here. I went all the way up to here. And this is just another little area. And it's going to go. Aren't you? Look at all these fucking trades. This is over trading like a motherfucker. Now you're going to break out. Oh my lord, dude. You're going to fucking go higher. Aren't you? What are you doing? I know that this is like a lower low, a lower high. I know that that means the stock is looking to go down, but I'm feeling like this thing is going to go higher. It's so weird. I feel like right now, this was a shallow pullback before it breaks over this thing. And I could totally be wrong, but that's just what I'm feeling. Oh, this is so wrong of me. I feel like I need to buy this stock. Oh, just fucking buy it. I'm going to regret this, aren't I? This is a horrible place on the chart. This is bad. Bad discipline. I should not be trading like this. And MG, or what is it? ARGS is down again. It's not liking me again. So, I don't know. If I get back up to the 24s, I should probably just get out. I have to go to the bathroom now, which is a horrible time to be going to the bathroom. Ugh. Ugh. I can take this to the bathroom with me. I won't have the greatest execution, but I can take it with me. Control F is flatten. So just remember that, because I might be needing to hit that button. Are you in there? No, you're not. Hello, everyone. You get to see me go to the bathroom. Not whatever. Oh boy. Meow meow. Hey, kitty cat. Yeah. The stock is rounding for like the second time today now, isn't it? Yeah, that's not pretty. Roku. You're looking for water in the bathtub, aren't you? Kitty cat. You little kitty cat. It's a long video this morning. When it could have been so short, I could have just gotten out, done my shit, been over with. But no. I'm buying at a horrible place on the chart because I have some dumb feeling. Which I honestly think that's the wrong. Even if the stock goes up, it's the wrong trade. It's a bad trade because I shouldn't be trading on a feeling. I should be trading on what I see the stock doing. And what I see the stock doing is making lower highs. And it's those common sense things that I should just be able to discipline myself to trade. You know, trade the freaking chart, man. Oh boy. Back in the room. I didn't even have my mouse pad out. Whatevers. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I did have it out. Yeah, it's not looking pretty. I mean, last time we did this, basically, we've got the same little thing happening right here. And it's just respecting this trend line for the most part. I thought that this might be a violation right here. It apparently is not. Poo. And it's doing the same thing. Every time it starts to perk back up, I go, well, can I just get out at break even now? And no, you can't because the stock is going down. This stock is just not being traded well by me. After the open, it's just not being traded well. And I'm fucking eating shit right now. Right now, I am eating shit. Yep. Go down. Shit eater. Yep. I'm not doing well today. I'm really not performing well. I'm being stubborn as fuck. Roku is kicking my fucking ass. Oh boy. We're moving into, it's almost 11 over there. It's just not pretty. I'm going to be down on the day. There's just no crawling out of this one, is there? Nope. Yep. Prepare for another leg down. Oh boy, come on. I'm long from here. 36.95. Way up here. Horrible, horrible spot to be long from. Long from here, made a little bit there. Have a little bit of... I'm just getting tired. Can you hear me? I'm just getting worn out, man. This thing is not... I don't know. Yeah. It's so funny, our biases, where we go, how about I can just get out at break even? Now I'm break even and I'm not getting out. You know, like we're showing a little bit of strength, but it's, I don't know if it's fooling me now or what. You know, let's just get to break even and get the fuck out, right? Are we at break even? What are we doing? We're down, way, way down. Oh my gosh. Selling, selling. Rejection. Rejection after rejection, Danny. Like, pay fucking attention. Just do what you need to do, man. Like, as soon as I got in, the stock did not turn around. And so I should have just gotten out of it. Actually, what I should do, where's my 36.95, huh? Stock's not going to hit 37. It is not. Let me see if I can set. I don't want to do that because then it's going to get me out, isn't it? No, it's not. Let me do a custom sell right there, you know? So let me move it to 36.98, which is kind of looking a little stronger, but who the fuck knows? I'm at $40 loss. This is literally just splitting hairs, man. Am I actually going to see a little bit of a profit here? There, I'm out. And this is when it makes the new high of day. Right here. Right? Is this when it goes to fucking high of day? Hello. Fucking motherfucker. This is when you go to high of day right now, isn't it? You're showing this fucking strength. Are the sellers going to be tired of you? We got 129 at 37.05. 140. We're stacking. Are sellers going to get tired? This is fucking hilarious. Oh my god. All right. What is ARGS doing? It's still rounding. It doesn't look like we're going to be doing much today over here. Look at 1 minute chart. We may have double bottomed. Probably not. It's not a lot of news, man. It's not running at the open. It might have a delayed morning spike. I have no idea. But it's not looking good. Not looking great right now. Hello, Roku. Dude, if we can fucking break this shit, oh my god, this is going to drive me fucking insane if this goes up. Roku shares jump another 10% to extend gains made after blowout earnings. By the way, did we tell you that the DVR guy says Roku's the future of TV? Oh my. This level here is a significant level. So, boy. We're coiling, we're getting tighter. Just a watching. Ugh. Freaking tired, man. I need some rest. Let's look at our after open scan. Why aren't you working? EKSO, you're up 26.8%, huh? Let's see how that one did. EKSO. That got out pretty good. 87 bucks on the day. That's not huge, but I traded 100 shares. I'd be up 870 on the day. And now I feel like you're a good buy again. Because the news is fucking awesome. I mean, you're right back down. I can't expect it to go back to 265, but shit. I'd like to see it. I don't know. I'm just recklessly trading now, right? Lord. I mean, realistically, I should have only bought it if it came down to 178, which it didn't even hit 178. It hit 182. It's a small position. $2,000. Story is good. I cannot believe this fucking trading today. Why do I feel like you're still going to break out and go higher? Ah, Lord. Are you going to break out and go higher, bro? This is... Are you going to be it? Is this it? Yes, you motherfucker. Show me some strength. Come on, dude. Go. Time for the buyers to step in. This is not an optimal entry, especially because it didn't actually break this, but damn, it looked like it was going to. This trend line is not necessarily being held up anymore. Where this is not a cup and a handle, but we have a V bottom, and it looks like it's gearing up to break. There's no way it's going to make it up there, is it? Quit looking like a weak bitch and go. Got a lot of buyers at 36.80s. We have some stacking action over here on 36.80. If we can defend this, then we're looking a little better. See what kind of sales we have coming through. I want to see the volume increase here also. We're making slightly higher highs now. We're breaking through. Yep, the volume is increasing right now. You see it? Pushing a little higher. We're not rocketing through. It's not very convincing yet. But this has been an area of struggle for like a little bit, and it's been a pain in the ass. I want to see buyers step in. I would love to see 38. Come on, push past this level. Push past. Push past. We still have a lot of buyers right now. I think this might be something that we can do here. 37.70s. We need to see these break. Let me draw my line here. Are we seeing it break? Is it going to break? That's what we want to know. Come on, baby. Break. Give me a break. Oh, hard rejection. We still got buyers at 36.58. Can we break? Can we push? That was a pretty hard crack there. It doesn't look like we have a whole lot of sellers stacked yet, but let's see the buying and selling going through here. Time and sales. Pretty small stuff at the moment. Bigger buy, 1,000 share buy. Our prices are not doing well. Let's zoom in a little bit, see if we can see some more detail here. Now look, we got a double bottom up. Are we going to hold the 37.40s? Still got buyers at 36.75, which is way the fuck down here. What the fuck? Like, bring your fight up here. Get the fuck up here. No. Come on. Oh, what the fuck? Support it. Yeah, this is just the short seller stock today so far, isn't it? We're still green on the day, but now we have to see if this level will hold. I'm only up 19 cents. This is a good sign for the stock, though. It doesn't necessarily mean it's on and the waiting is over, but we'll have to see. That trend line probably will not hold up. Got a lot of levels here drawn. Ooh, making back some losses at the moment, but it doesn't matter because it's not realized. I would love to see a new high. On paper, this looks great right here, but whoever's defending 36.63, like, why 36.63? You want to try and buy it before it goes down too far, but you need to be supporting up at the 37s right now. I mean, in the short term, we could see a pullback into here. This is basically my entry right here. Right here. I hope shorts are getting scared right now. $38.29, huh? Eh. Sometimes that really detailed view doesn't make me feel very good. I want to get a longer term perspective on this chart right now. Let's look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute chart. You see how we're getting so wound up about all this shit? The reality is, you know, this pullback on a 5-minute chart makes some sense. Like, where did we pull back to? We had a little, kind of hard to tell, you know. We are seeing some more volume, though, on this bar, which is good. We saw more volume here, and then we just got stuffed Friday, though. You know, this is almost exactly what it did. So if we want to go by Friday, I should lower my limit to, you know, below high of day. We had a pullback. That's what we did. You know, Friday, we had this pullback, and, you know, we closed up high, and we had to pull back into this area. This next candle represents that pullback. So, yeah, then we double topped, came down. So it's still, it's anybody's guess whether Friday is going to repeat here. We still have these buyers down here. So now let's take a look. I don't expect this level, this 3730, necessarily to defend. I'm hoping that, let's see, let me make sure that this thing is right. That might be wrong too. Let me go back to the tick chart. Maybe I just adjusted it crappily. Yeah, I kind of did. I mean, on a 1-minute chart, it looks a little better the other way. That's the interesting thing. You know, like, not everyone's trading off of tick charts, dude. So, go back to our 1-minute chart. It don't look too bad. I don't know. It's a general area. We have volume dying again, though. Okay, what are we doing here? We had a quick spike, but we don't have any volume. We need to see this volume candle come up. We want to break out on volume, like this right here. All right, what are we doing? Are we going to reject? If we're going to reject, then I'm kind of getting tired of this, but we're in a pretty good position here. $36.66 is the support. Yay, you raised it up a little. Yeah, come on, man. Can we break out? Realistically, this is why you want to buy deep dips, because when you're up here, you've got some room. If you're buying right at the breakout level, that's, you know, unless it's convincing, you got to get out quick. And so far, this is not very convincing. I still see this size sitting down here, but it's not really impressive. The volume isn't going any higher. It might just be time to call it, and get out with a $600 something loss for the day. Really. I'm getting tired of waiting. But also this trend line here isn't violated either. You know, patience does pay if it's the right kind of patience. That's the trick. Oh, look at that. Big sellers right here at 30.74. Oh, and they're getting eaten up. Now we're making another high. Are we going to continue to creep? Because now we have people, now the stock is approaching new high of day. Are shorts getting scared? Question. Or is this where going to pile on? They're going to pile on and say it can't go any higher. And if enough of them pile on, it won't go any higher. That's the interesting thing. But this is a hard to borrow stock. So if we have shorts that are already in this short position and there's no more shares to short right now, then we could definitely get a squeeze because there's not going to be a lot of shorts that can pile on. So far, we're holding near the highs. This is a little bit, I got some anxiety over this. Not fun, but we'll see. Okay, more highs. 38, we passed 38. Can we hit a new high? That's what I want to know. Are we going to break this high? I'm going to put this right at high of day, dude. Hello, move my shit to 38.29. We're so close, baby. Break out with some force. We're still holding. Yeah, I think we could see a breakout even higher. Let's see. We got some buyers stacking up right here at this level. Let's watch the buying. It's grinding. It is not rejecting. If we see any hard rejections, then that might be a clue to get out, but we're seeing some buying force here. 29s. Can we break 29? 38.29. We're so close. I think we're going to break it. We're so close. Grind up. The good thing is we're still not seeing any hard rejections. We got buyers stacking right now at 38.14. We're about to make a new high. We just pushed a little higher, 28, 1 more cent, and let's get a new high a day. Come on. Come on. Crack it, baby. Hit it. Hit it. Go. Buy. Buy it up. Buy it, buy it, buy it. Buy it, buy it. Push it higher. Up. Come on. Are we still going to grind? I don't see any sellers yet. We're stacking on the bid. Boy, I'm so tense right now. Come on, take it. Take it. Take it. Oh, I'm just tempted to get out right now with my measly little profit. no, don't be red. Oh, no. Okay, this is a hard rejection. Is this our pullback? It's probably time to exit right now. Still have a little bit of stacking going on. Come on, baby. This could be the end of it right here. Yeah. Come on. I would love to see some shorts get squeezed. Yeah. Is this the end of it? What are we doing? We're fighting now. We're fighting. Come on. I think that's the end of it. I put my fucking limit order just too damn close. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Now the question is, are we going to have buyers come back in and let me get out at my preferred level? We did make a new high of day, like I wanted. Come on, buyers. You fucker. Yeah, I should have got out a little bit after high of day, but are we going to make it? 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 Probably not. Push. Tell them who's boss. Scare the shorts away. Stack. It's not holding. I should get out with my little fucking break-even bullshit on the day, shouldn't I? We're going to put in a lower high right now, aren't we? Yep. Danny, get over your dumb little shit and get the fuck out. Look at this. It's time to get out. Go back up. Get me out of break-even, man. Come on, let's do this. Get me out right there. Canceled, replacing? Okay. Is it going to work? No, you motherfucker. Come on. Come on, baby. Get me out a little. We're fighting here. I don't like this fighting. Come on. Don't reject. Oh, all the way to here. Come on. I'm afraid to hit the flat button because I don't want to get flat on a fucking... God damn it. Yeah. It's not going to give me what I want, motherfucker. Let's go. Now I'm praying for break even again. Fucking shit. I missed my opportunity, but what'd I say? A new high of day in 30 minutes. God damn it. I got a little too greedy. I thought we could squeeze harder than that. Come on, buyers. God damn it. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I just want to get out of break even now, and it's not going to let me fucking turn around. Fucking shit. And now it's going to make an even lower high right here, aren't you? You son of a bitch. Let's go. Like I said, I don't like looking at that detailed shit sometimes. Yeah, look at that, man. That's a shit breakout. It's going to fucking turn around. This literally was my last opportunity to get out. God fucking damn it. I'm pissed off at myself. Motherfucker. God damn it. That is so aggravating. This is annoying as fuck. This just pisses me off about the whole fucking stock now. God damn, dude. Yeah, I got a little too greedy, man. I was really hoping, for as expensive as this stock is, that we could have cracked a little bit higher than this 38.29 level. Like, we literally went 11, 12 cents higher on a $38 stock, which the way this was acting was that shorts were just, I felt like shorts were like, no, this can't happen. So if we can defend this area again and get another somewhat whatever, I'm just going to get out of break even. I don't think we're going to see another new high of day. If so, not by much. I could be totally wrong. Anything can happen. Anything. This trend line is still holding. This could have just been a little test and the real breakout's coming. That could easily be what's happening, but the stock did not break out. The level was violated and it did not break out convincingly. And had I been long from right here initially, I would be out right now. I would not be in it. I don't know that I would be short, but I wouldn't be long. So let's see what we can get here. Are we going to see some strength? No, we're getting rejected, aren't we? That was looking good for a second. We had like some sustained shit, and now we're just putting in a lower high right into here, aren't we? Can we keep going? I'm very curious. If I drag this down here, I just fucking sold. Fuck this filling system. How the hell are you supposed to have a goddamn stop loss? All right. Well, I lost $80 on the stock. I wanted to place my limit order below this in case this holds and breaks to new highs. I can take my profit up here and have a profit on the stock for the day. As you can hear the frustration in my voice. That is goddamn annoying. We're going to break to new highs, aren't we? As more disbelieving sellers have to buy to cover. Trend line held. You see? Anyhow, I'm basically break even on this bitch for the day, which is annoying. I kind of want to watch it, and I kind of don't. Let's look at the 1 minute chart again. This was a frustrating trade for me today, and it's all my fault. We have this breakout of this level and a pullback right to this level, which is a great sign that this high is going to be broken. And it's going to fucking happen right now, isn't it? We have stacking on the bid, which, well, it keeps refreshing. If I have to play this stock again, I don't want to. I mean, that's the reality. I got in here. All of this wasted fucking buying and selling. Anyhow, I'm not going to fuck with this stock anymore. This has been a crazy, fucked up morning because I didn't come in here with good size. I should have been more selective about Well, I don't even want to talk about what I should have done. Then we have another shallow pullback. I don't know what the hell's going on now. The risk to reward isn't good. It's just not good. Although this is an area of support right here, here. This was resistance. Then we struggled here. Now we're finding support. I just want to watch this until it breaks to another high of day right now. This is up on good news of some Ford. Ford is, like taking this on. Oh my God, I was long bias on the stock all day. And we are seeing difficulty. We still got those fuckers down here at 36.70. If you want to buy, well, they want to buy at a discount because they believe in it. That's the reality of it. Oh, my fucking bullshit self. All right, anyway, close that. This is a long one today, guys. We double topped. 38.40 so far. 38.41. Oh, why didn't I just get out? I would have been up a couple $100 on the stock today. Another stacking on the bid. I can't play the stock anymore. Literally, I could buy it right here and fucking sell it here and be up on the stock on the day. I'm literally down by 8 cents. Like, come on, bro. We're getting close. Are you going to go lower? Yep. Okay. Keep in mind, this is the 1 minute chart trend line. So on the 1 minute chart, it might be holding just fine. I would have already had my fucking 8 cents. 94 to God damn. The stock moves, man. Percentage-wise, it's only up 14.5% on the day, but dollar per share-wise, it is hauling ass. And that's what I like. EKSO, I'm only up 10 bucks in it. And as you can see, it's just in a shit downtrend. And it actually hit a high. Let's see, was I in or out before the high? It was long, 196. Boom. So that's interesting. Roku, you're going down. All right. You're awesome, but unless you crack super hard, I got no reason to trade you. We'll have to come back later and see if this thing popped any higher, but I'm pissed. I could have gotten out with a profit, and I didn't. So let's check on our other positions and see if anything is worth holding. Wow, look at this. Insanity today. 35.98, 36. So that's basically $36. 37, 38. I could have had almost $2.50 a share. That's $2,500. I would have made up my loss and then some. So now the range is getting really tight and it's just not worth trading. Even if it breaks out to new highs, it's double topping up here, which on a longer term chart is just a double top in general. But this kind of grinding action is what squeezes shorts. It slowly inches against them, and they just can't. It's the same thing that this was doing, slowly inching. And I just have to like not give such a fuck about it. ARGS, I'm way down. It's just a fader. It's fading. It's a fucking crapshoot. It's not doing well. So I'll bet you the daily chart looks like dog shit. Yep, shitty chart. It was, yeah. This is one of those one and done stocks. I really should just cut my fucking loss. Had a good reaction to earnings, but can't sustain. It can't sustain. So I really should just cut it. God damn it. That's what I should do right now. It's just going to keep going. I doubt it's going to bounce off of this low here. It might find some support, but I'm down almost $300 on it. And me no like is that. So. Oh, Danny boy. I don't know. This is a mixed reaction to the call, too. Like, I should have paid more attention to it. 24. It's still up on the day by 23%, but I'm not really liking it. That's the thing. It's not a huge loss. It's $300. I should just take the fucking loss while it's small. You can always make back a small loss, right? So let me flatten $240. I had a small profit opportunity, but I wasn't watching the stock, and this seems to be like an all-day fader type stock, so fuck it. JCPenney's is down. Yeah, I thought about buying it as it was holding in here, but I'm just not impressed with it. The range is not a good range on the stock. Up 30% on the day. That had a crack. There's a little bit of support in here. Got a big buyer's just stepped in here. What are we looking like? XNet was a dip buy. Yeah, pretty good. $45 on the stock today. That's a triple top right there. Not so great. BTCS is fading. What are you doing, USS? Interesting price action, but not looking good. ONP. Earnings winner holding support. I think I wanted to buy this. I feel like I did. Yeah, you haven't really had any news. You're not very liquid either. Big time yesterday. Holding. You're up a little. You look like shit. HMNY, dip buy. TXMD. Slow range. OTIC. No, that's MBI. You're an earnings winner, right? I think. Yeah. Yeah, you held support this morning. That was a level, roughly. Let's see, to the left. Anything to the left? It's kind of significant right there. Let's see if that was the level. Hello. Thank you. That was pretty much the level. 870s to 913. Let's go back to Roku. You dipped. You did dip. And you're back up from 37.37 to 37.84. But this trend line is violated now. And you double topped up here. $80 on the day. I've traded this stock so much it's not funny. EKSO is giving me $30. This is the second time I've traded this stock today, isn't it? Just dip bought you right there. You got some resistance up in the twos, 208. 196 to 208. KSO doesn't have a great long-term chart either. But we did break out a little bit. Stuffed hard. Not a great long-term chart. Like spikes just don't hold. Earnings spike. This is pretty good. This is good volume, but see, the last time we had something like that, it broke out, ran for 2 days. Found support. Boom. Support is resistance. Breakout. Not looking so great. I mean, it's red on the day still, so I don't necessarily want to hold it, in all honesty. It's got a great story, but I kind of just want to get out because you also look like you're rounding. We're not getting a V retracel. You cracked pretty hard, and so I don't know what you're going to do, but I'm going to get out with my little $107 on the day. I don't really like it. Roku, are you back down again? You are. You're probably a short now. Double bottomed. I was thinking this would be resistance off of this bounce here. It's good news, but now we have a quadruple bottom. That's funny. I don't know. I wouldn't feel too confident about this. It rejected that quickly. Oh, what an exciting day it's been. Watching shares of Roku as Engadget reports Amazon may be prepping free ad-supported video service. That's good news. 944. Oh! Crack! That kind of crack was probably a good buy. I need to look at it on a bigger time frame chart, though, because things can really look way bigger and more substantial than they are. We have a little support in here. Let me get rid of this freaking orders. Boom. We're going to have a sell-off. Boy, oh boy, let's prepare for this. I know this is probably not smart, but let's try this. Yeah, just about. And we're making higher highs now. We're not higher highs, but we're bouncing. Still doesn't look strong though. But it is basically the second low of a crack. So 1, 2. So we might see some support because this trend line here. Oh, and what are we doing? We're fucking rocketing. That was my chance to make my $80 back, guys. That's so funny. The stock still has great news, man. And this is technically a discount now. You see that? This level right in here. Now the risk to reward isn't worth buying. It's 40 cents. That'd be $400 risk, at least $500, $600 risk on 1,000 shares. And now we could see this level reject right in here. I'm full of commentary, everyone. Who would have thought? Stock has positive news. These are good dips, man. That was a good dip. It's just so funny. Like, I've been right about the stock all day, and yet I'm not making any money. Oh, that was the spot. I should have fucking bought. Get rid of this. But I can't step in now because it's just not good risk to reward. And now, if it turns around and comes all the way back down, it's not worth buying because that made a lower high. Like, it's just not what we want to do. Until you are going up a little bit. ARGS is still going lower. It's going to be an all-day fade. Probably hard to borrow, aren't you? Yeah, you are hard to borrow. Shit earnings call. No one really gives a fuck. But it's under $1. I'm not going to short that fucking thing. I lost $250 on it, unfortunately. That's a little sore. That makes me sore for sure. JCPenney's is coming down to a level, not the level. But I don't want to trade that shitty stock. We do have an earnings winner right here, but you've been breaking support all day. VRX, oh, that could be a buy. I'm gonna buy a little bit of that. Oh, a little. 1,000 shares of a $15 stock is not really a little. But I feel like we could see some upside in that. Not a lot. See how like reactive I am? Just boom. We had some volume spike right here, which is potentially good for us. It's not a volatile stock, so I'm looking for $15 max. You know, hopefully this bottom holds. If it doesn't, I'll be down a little bit. But I'd like to see $14.98. Let me set my limit. 98. Limit sell. Keep an eye on that. Give me some money. Roku. Are we going to see another new high of day? God damn, I should have fucking bought there. Okay, now we're bouncing off of this level, and we could go higher. Aren't we? Aren't we? Aren't we? Aren't we? Oh! Now I'm so tempted. Fuck, this is the wrong time to buy. I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. Give me my $80 fucking back. Which is so retarded of me. What an idiot I am. That was an impulsive trade. That was a horrible, horrible thing, but it is bouncing off of this little tiny level here, which sounds so stupid. You want bounces off of big, established levels. Why am I whistling that? Don't whistle that, idiot. Am I even going to get my 8 cents out of this? Like, for real. 15. I could get 8 cents out of that. That'd be funny as fuck. I just got taken out. I have $30 on the day on the stock. That was such a horrible trade. That is a bad trade. And now we're going to see new high of day right now. New high of day. Here she goes. This is not a triple top, are you? This is showing action that it's really like trying hard, man. It is a triple top at the moment. I'm not fucking with that anymore. I got my $30 today after trading how much of the stock? Fucking way too much. The RX has given me gains. It's going up quick, so I need to get out now. I'm just gonna get the fuck out. Yep. See? It went up too quick. For me. It's a nice kind of symmetrical. It got a little asymmetrical here. Let me explain what I'm talking about. And of course, because these trend lines are dog shit. Watch. So we have this here, nice V, symmetrical, or whatever. Like a symmetrical V would put it over here like this, and not like this. So, fucking shitty chart. These trend lines suck. This is annoying, and I'm still down on the day, I'll bet you. How much have I lost today? Down, P&L on the day, $46. Now, let's not count BTCS. I can't count that. That's my long-term trade. And my MGTI, I'm 0 on the day. So I'm down $30 on the day. And I lost $250 in ARGS. Let's go back and look at ARGS. What an entertaining day this has been. The goal is not necessarily to like be up on every stock I trade every day. I mean, yeah, that's the goal, but that's not the war. I'm not going to have a war about it. The question is, yes, the call happened here, and then the stock started plummeting. So I should have paid attention to that. I lost $250 out of a lack of meticulous detail. For whatever reason, even on earnings, the stock did not react properly, and it spiked up again. I guess in anticipation of this phone call. I'm a fool. There's no reason for me to lose that money, and I totally did. Roku did just hit a new high of day. Let's take a look at how much money I missed out on. This is hilarious. 38.25, 38.58. So I missed out on another $250. I could have been up $270 on the day on this stock and up with a profit for the day. And it just grinds. And I am so done with this stock. I pulled myself out of a hole. Thank God the stock is volatile enough to do it. If I could have traded pre-market, it would have been a beautiful stock to trade pre-market, man. And I'm just done. I'm done with this stock. I keep holding for less and less. Like, okay, this was freaking pretty good. I could have been out right here. And even right here, I got to end it. I have to stop it. I have overtraded the day so bad. Oh, and look at what I said. Look at me. Up too far too fast. Not only that, I mean, the overall stock is down. Even though just, today, they launched $750 million worth of debt, paying 5.5%. Okay, that's probably why the stock is down. They're in debt now. More. Raised to $17 a share from $16. Wow, what a huge raise. I'm not interested. This was pure luck, by the way. Pure luck. The only reason I felt like it was worth trading was because of how quickly it came down. It didn't hit support. You know, it's kind of, I don't know. I'm explaining myself a whole bunch. Let's just keep going through things here. Tops is boring. X. Yeah, blah. Groupon, blah. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. We can get a little bit better view of everything that's going on here. This is holding. Oh, whatever. This is kind of holding. Huh. Look at the long-term chart. Whoa. Whoa. Interesting. Overall downtrend. Let's look at the 3-year chart. Not a great stock. But these are weeks. So it's had an up week, an up week, an up week. Very interesting. I mean, it's not too bad. This is the biggest spike yet. Could not hold the breakout, but that's all right. There might still be some value in here, you know. Especially since it's kind of holding support and making higher lows. 20, 36, 60, 160. If I bought at 126 and sold at 160, that would be a decent little profit. I don't know. Probably not. Yeah, let me go back to the 5-minute to look at these. Today's a long session, guys. FRTA. Oh, yeah, yesterday. Yeah. We had a dip. Pretty good dip at the morning. So from 809, so $1 a share. It's not bad. But I mean, it really screamed. We'd have to get a big dip, man, like into the 780s. So let me add an alert here. We'll keep that on there. COLL just kept on going and never cracked. LUAD. Oh, this pump. This pump is going. Hard to borrow. No kidding, huh? Ooh, let me short it. Can I short it? How many thousand? Yep, rejected. Not available to borrow. Yeah. LRTTF, another pump. That pump has been doing good. Let me check the daily chart on that one. Yep, it's going. Went all the way down to 41 cents. It's $1 now. Piece of crap. LRTTF. Who the hell knows what's going to happen with that one? What is this? Lithium mining. They're pumping, like, they're in the news a lot. Appoints new CEO, huh? I don't know. I don't want to fuck with that. Oh, you're doing so good. That was great. You have some resistance in here, though. Let me draw this. So you went from 850 to 14 something. You've almost doubled. Let's take a look at your 1 minute chart. You held support, man. Not up huge today, though. The volume is, or the range is going away right now. The real range was in the first day. Watt, you did not do anything good. DCIX, you were on my alert this morning. You dipped 9 to something, 10 something, okay. LBIX, GLBS. All right, guys, I got to be done. Roku's making more hive days. Shoot myself in the face. That's okay. We're good, bro. I'm not chasing. Bye. I got to call this quits, dude. Why are my hotkeys not working?